Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my experience living with iOS 14. So here we have it. It is home to a lot of new great features. So in this video, I'm just be going into the nitty-gritty detail and just telling you my overall experience of iOS 14 and whether you should update to this iOS 14 beta. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. What is going on, guys? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. And in this video, I wanted to talk about my experience living with the iOS 14 beta and just giving you my overall experience. So it's been quite a bit of time with this iOS 14 beta 1, and with it, I've come to some assumptions with it. So I wanted to make sure that I had an overall feel for this beta by installing it on my iPhone XS Max, and I was able to get the overall feeling for this beta after installing it and just using it for quite an extended period of time. And using the iOS 14 beta with my iPad OS 14 beta and also with my watchOS 7, it gives you a very integrated view of your daily iOS 14 day-to-day progress. So I had to make sure that I had the AirPods Pro with it as well, and just the Apple Watch, just to make sure I was getting the overall experience of it and just seeing what it had to offer. Now, I haven't really experienced any bugs in the iPad OS 14 beta, the iOS 14 beta, but I know it's present. Now, just some of the reasons to like this is the picture-in-picture, of course, because we can just finally have a video and just have it as a picture-in-picture. Now, the app library is also a solid feature. Just having the app library here is just very convenient because it just automatically organizes your apps and it's just a last page. And you can also have it in alphabetical order, just like Android. And now we also have a much improved Siri that's just very convenient right at the bottom. So here we have Siri, so you can just go ahead and take a look and just see how nice it looks now instead of just taking up the whole screen. So there's just been a lot of UI improvements, as we also do have some widgets here. So we finally have widgets on the home screen. So I'm just getting super excited about iOS 14, as it's just finally one of those big updates that we've been waiting years upon years for. So I must say that. Now, not only did Apple do the big three, they gave us picture-in-picture, widgets, and an app library, they also updated the music app. Now, the music app has just been refined, and it just gives you a lot of great features, and just the overall animations and just the rounded view is much different. So you can see it looks a lot better. And now we just have the listen now feature when we first go on to the Apple Music app. So it's just listen now. So that's like the home page. Then we have the browse to just browse for some more music. And then we do have the radio as well. So when we go to the radio, we have a radio host right here, and you can just see the Beats One radio. And then you can see we just have a lot of great radio stations here. So that's definitely good that we have just some radio integration right in the middle of it. And then we can just scroll down for some local radio. And then we have our library right here. So we have all of our songs and you can just easily access it. And then when we play a song, we just have the lyrics right here. So it looks really good as well. So it's just only getting better. Now, I would just say it's a good experience all around, and I have nothing bad to say about iOS 14. And I'm super excited as the betas go on, as this is just only beta 1, and I expect Apple to add more and more great features. So this is just only the beginning. Now, it's just a very cohesive update. There's no lag whatsoever. Also very smooth, and I don't have any complaints about it. So you just see how smooth it is as well. So it's just very Android-like, I must say, but I do like it because there's a lot of customization that Apple put into it, along with some time and effort. So there was this video on living with the iOS 14 beta and just my overall experience. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash that like button. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button, and be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And my username there is AppleCritics. And be sure to check out all my other videos on my channel, as I have a lot of great content. And there is a lot of iOS 14 coverage and more videos on the way. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.